Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you some of the software that I use for video editing, 3D content creation, picture editing, that kind of thing. Because I've been getting a few things from people at school and their different forums and things asking what I use. So I'll just go over a few things I use. I have for 3D content creation I use 3ds Max. I had to buy it. It's not cheap. It is like something like I forget, $600 program, or is that Mudbox? I don't know. But Autodesk 3ds Max. Oh, I shouldn't have opened it because it uses a crap ton of RAM. But with this, you can create 3D animations. You can create like cars and things. And then animate them for your videos or for your games. Yeah, it's gonna take forever for it to boot up. While I'm more or less doing that, I'll close the program and cancel. There. I'll show you some of the other things I use. NetBeans. It's a good just IDE for simple programming in Java and things like that. Unity. Unity is another really good game engine. A few of the games on Kongregate and things like that have been made using Unity. Let's see. Mix. I use this for audio DJing. Open it up. So with this, you have all your music, and you can and any music you've created, then you can have one track down here and another track up here, and mix the two together. You can use Jack with that too. Let's see what else. Putty. I use this for just accessing servers. It's nothing that big. You wouldn't use it for like content creation or anything like that. SpeedFan, very good utility for measuring your temperature of your computer. Install Creator Pro. I love this program. With this, you can actually create your own installers, and then for games and anything that you're making. FPS Creator X10. This is another one that I really like. It makes some fairly decent graphics, good AI games. FPI Edit Pad, that's for editing the software, or not the software, the artificial intelligence scripts that go with this. So you can just open this. It's like Notepad, but it has syntax. Like you can create different things, syntax highlighting, and you can debug it and things like that. What else? Free Image Converter. I use that for my image converting. And oh, I forgot one. Any Video Converter. This is a good just free video converter that I use to convert like MP3s or MP4s to AVIs or something like that. Camtasia Studio 7, I love it. It's what I use to edit my videos and what I'm actually using right now to record my desktop. Fraps, that's a good thing for, it's a good program for recording gameplay. I use that all the time. Audacity, another good audio creation tool. Layout 2, that's for just doing layouts for what do you call it? SketchUp. You can actually make with a certain plugin, you can make SketchUp. You can make in SketchUp entities and objects and things in 3D that you would put in FPS Creator X10. It's the same with, you can also do that with 3ds Max. What else? Blender. I love Blender. I can probably open it right now. It's an open source. Oh, okay. Never mind. I'll have to reinstall it. Maybe. Oh, maybe not. It's a very, very good tool for making 3D images and animation, kind of like 3ds Max, but I'd say not as powerful. But it's good. You can rotate. It comes just with that box, and you can rotate it and stuff. Oh, Texture Maker. This is good for making textures. It's made by the game creators. It's good for yeah, like I said, making textures to put over entities, which you would put in then FPS Creator. Google SketchUp, really good program for making stuff like what do you call it, 3D models, things like that you would put in FPS Creator or probably 3ds Max. But you can also I've heard you can transfer the image from this onto like a computerized overhead router and like cut out things for, like, if you're into that. What else? That's it there. That's basically the same as Putty, but it's for FTP servers. And then, oh yeah, GIMP. GIMP is a good a good image editing program that I have. And then I have more in here. I have Adobe After Effects. That's really good. It's part of I have CS4, and it comes with Adobe Bridge. It comes with a bunch of these. I use After Effects for making my intros. Classic Gamer made that intro for me, but I'm learning how to use After Effects. Sound Booth CS5. That's good for sound creation. Already saw Audacity. Let's see. For web hosting, I'm going to start using IIS, Internet Services Manager. I'll go over that with another video as part of the web server series, but that's a really good tool for hosting your web servers, and you can get that just by going through your control panel. What's that? That's Video Converter. Camtasia, Corel Video Studio. It's okay. PaintShop Pro. I like that because I use that for picture editing too. Cyberlink DVD Suite. This is really good for making movies. That's what I was using, but now I'm using Camtasia. IIS 7 extensions. Oh, Microsoft Expression. That's really good for making images for your website. Microsoft Help Workshop. You can make your own help files with this, which I really like. Microsoft, no, not Microsoft Office. Silverlight. I guess that's not really. Silverlight SDK and Silverlight 4 SDK. That's what you'd use. That's part of the Web Matrix. SQL Server. That's just for server stuff. For making my applications that I have on my website and on SourceForge, I use Visual Basic 2010 Express Edition and Visual C# 2000 Express Edition with XNA Game Studio. So I make games for Xbox just for my friends with using that. And I use Visual C++ for making games too, but I haven't don't know too much about C++. I know a fair amount, but not a lot. And then I downloaded also Microsoft Visual Studio 2000 Express for Windows Phone. That's what I'm using to make Excalibur browser mobile. And that, yeah, obviously it makes applications for Windows Phone. You can use that. You can make games with this too using XNA. Microsoft Web. Let's just close this. Microsoft Web Matrix. This is a really good tool if you have an IIS server, or even if you have somebody who's hosting for you. It allows you to make websites. Site from Web Gallery. You can make things from like .NET Nuke, WordPress, Umbraco, NotCommerce, Mojo, etc. And there's like tons of different frameworks that you can do, and then upload your site to a server. Xnay Game Studio, this has some stuff in it. It has the exact auditioning utility, which is good for audio, and the cross-platform audio creation tool, which is what I use sometimes for making audio files. Milkshape 3D, another good 3D content creation tool. And Nokia Qt SDK, that's good for making it programs in C++ for making apps for Nokia Android phones. I like that. I got Python. You can use that for some things. I know I have my own web browser. Isn't that funny? Ruby. That's good for web stuff. What else? TrueCrypt. I use that just to secure my files. And oh wait, no, Windows Phone Developer Tools. That comes with the phone, the Windows Phone, Microsoft Visual Basic for Windows Phone. That comes with that. It's just application deployment, Windows 7 Phone 7 enumerator. I can't talk today. And developer registration, so you can get your app published on the store. So the phone enumerator is just this. It's a simple phone to load. It's going to use a crap ton of my RAM because I don't have that much. Internet Explorer. That comes with one app. And there you go. Hit search. I think this is kind of neat. Wow. And then you have QWERTY touch keyboard. Just exit. But I think that was about it. Oh wait, ConvertX to DVD. I forgot about this one. This allows you to get your videos and convert them to a format which you can watch on your TV, like burn it to a DVD and then watch it on your TV. And that's about it. So, oh, thanks. I made a forum on webs.com for anyone who wants to join that. That would be nice. It's just a tech forum with reviews, and you can share your ideas. It's like a community. It's like a developer community kind of thing, kind of like I don't know, Dream and Code or one of those sites. And I'll go to it right now. Qsoft. I'll put a link in the description. I did not spell it right. Jesus. Web. Do I have to put HTTP? No, I do not. So, here we have it right here. And there's just the forums. I've just created a few things. You can create more if you want. And there's videos. Anybody can post a video to it. It's very, very in its child stages because I just started like maybe an hour ago. Members, me right here, and then Classic Gamer. I'll put a link to his channel below too. He's one of my business partners, Classic Gaming Productions, and he's also one of my employees, and he is very, very good at making YouTube intros. So, thank you for watching, comment, rate, and subscribe.